Hi everybody, we're going to do a dynamic Pilates. So you will need a bender ball, you will need some light weights. Now, if you don't have a bender ball, you could use a couple of cushions just to support around the lower back or a little bit more upper when we do our sit-up move with our weights. And if you don't have any weights, just use 2 cans or 2 water bottles. Okay, so I'm just going to move these to one side for now. We're going to keep the core on and think about the breath, and we're going to start with some lunges. So both feet stay forward, chest is proud, abs are on. I want you to touch the floor, squeeze and drive up. No weights for now. Really get that mind to muscle connection. Stay down, place the hand down and open up. So just stretching this way today. Carefully place the hand back down, come all the way up and switch your legs. Back to lunge. Tap that knee down, squeeze. I really want you to feel the muscle. 10 again. On the 10th one, I want you to stay down and bring that arm up. I want you to carefully place both hands down, take it into a plank position, then take it to downward dog. Pull those shoulder blades down and foot pedal through. Just getting a nice lovely stretch on the legs, the shoulders, leading the sit bones as high as you can, head between the arms. So you're looking at those feet, good core control. Then walk your hands to the feet. Fold the arms, a little forward fold. Moving through the waist, should be able to swing your head side to side freely, then carefully peel back up. Okay, so I want you to grab your weights. So I've got light ones, it depends on how hard you want to work. So we're going to work the curtsy lunge, so that means we bring our leg behind the other one, and we're going to alternate with a bicep curl, okay? So we come down, step, switch, step. Take your time as we work through the balance. Working on 20 repetitions, which is 10 sets of each leg. Really want to squeeze the front part of the upper arm. On your last one, I want you to stay in the curtsy lunge and pulse for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, last one, switch to the other, and pulse, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, and release, shake those legs, taking it to the later, open, close, so I'm going to work quite speedy with it. And still keep that heart rate up. Palms face, repeat. Really opening that chest. And release, shoulder roll out. Okay, we're going to go back to one side with the curtsy. We're going to stay in it, palms face up, and we snow angel those arms up and down for 10. As you can see, we're working our balance a lot, really important. When you've done your 10, you're going to switch to the other side, come back, palms face, snow angel. Keeping my chest as proud as I can. And release, shoulder roll out. Okay, we're going to take it to a double row, nice flat back. Palms facing, draw up and down. Two more. Last one. Okay, I want you to come into your wide squat and I want you to turn those toes out as wide as you can. So it's almost like a plie position. Okay, arms are going to be in here, into an Arnold. That's where we do this position. Okay, are we ready? Open, back. Stay here and pulse for 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hold, up, down. And pulse, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And come out. Shoulder roll out, foot pedal through. Just pop your weights to one side for now. Just going to start with some roll downs and we're going to come to a seated position as we then use our bendable and our weights. I just want you to stretch this back in these roll downs. 6 only, then we come down. Chin to chest, start to slowly peel. Slowly up. Let's bring those arms overhead to stretch. And back again. Last one, and we're going to make contact with the floor. Okay, so bendable or cushions, I want you to place behind the back. So you're in a seated position, just offering a little bit of support. Okay, we're going to now bring up our weights, palms face in towards the knees, and we slowly lower and up. Squeezing those abs. Tuck the chin in. Now I want you to have a wide arm and I want you to come up and pull down and make a bigger range of movement whilst you're in a chest press. Squeeze those abs. Stay as stable as you can on your ball. So you're really challenging the core. Palms facing now towards each other and pulse at your lower level. Keep going. Stay open and closed. chest-wise, in our balance of our abs. Want to make it harder? Bring up those legs. It's going to challenge the core more. Really hard to stay stable on the ball. Two more. Last one. Just have a little knee hug. Well done. Okay, so we're going to lean back on the ball again. We're going to put our weights together to load it even more unless you've got a heavier one. And we're going to do side to side obliques. So, cross over your weights. You're going to lean slightly over. You're going to follow and switch and squeeze and squeeze. So the ball's going to help you to rotate. But if you feel like it's drifting off, pull it in a little bit more. Position it which is best for you. Always support the back. Want to make it harder? Bring up those legs. Keep going. And release. Slowly come out of there. Okay, remove the ball. So, we're going to put the ball, the weight behind the back of the knees. We're going to go on to our oblique lift. So we're placing it behind the top leg. You're in a 90 as if you're in clam. You're going to elevate the leg. We're going to push back, tap to the knee. Push back, tap to the knee. Are we ready? 15. Keep the core super strong. Keep the leg bent so you can keep that knee in place. I want you to stay back on the 15th and pulse, the 15. And carefully come up. Keep the weight behind that leg. Okay, so we're going to come onto the forearm. You can either stack up your fist to put your forehead on if that's more comfortable. Do what's best for you. Your bottom will be in the air in this position. We're going to do butt kicks, keeping the weight there. So we're going to lift up, squeeze, tap down. 15. Try not to lean to the other hip. Good core control throughout. Stay up on the 15th and pulse the 15. Bring that leg back down and clamp. Squeeze. 15 reps. Then we'll add a pulse again on the clamp, our widest part, for a further 15. Stay out. Squeeze, squeeze, squeeze. And release. Well done. Great work. Okay, so we're going to go onto the other side of the leg, on the forearm, with the weight behind the top leg, with the one that you haven't worked. Remember, we're going to start off as if we're in a clamp. We're going to push back, tap the knee. Push back, tap the knee. So we're getting a really good length here on the hip flexor. We're really activating the gluteal group, working those abs. Good chance, squeeze your bum on behind so you can fight those tight hip flexors. On the 15th, stay back and pulse. 15 reps. When you're done, I want you to go into your all fours on the forearm. Ready for our butt kicks? Tap down, remember? We lift, we tap. 15. Then we do 15 top pulsers. Squeeze the butt, really focus on it. Doing well. When you've done your 15, stay up and pulse. Another further 15. When you're done, bring that leg back, climb. Squeeze, squeeze. 15 again, then we add our 15 pulsers. On the widest part, pulse. And release, well done, great work. Whew, shoulder roll out. Super work, everybody. Okay, so we're going to work on our plank to a side plank. So I'm just going to show you the modified position. So you could lean from the hip in your plank. Then you could rotate, keeping the underneath leg bent. Then back to the centre, then to the other side. You need to think about driving those hips as high as you can, just to get that strength there. Good core control to allow. I'm going to be doing it in a full position, where I rotate here and vice versa. Okay, are we ready? Stay strong, let's go. I want you to pause in each one, just so the muscles understand what you're trying to achieve. Right hand. Show you what's coming next. You're going to thread the leg through, come to your forward position and press, like you're doing press ups. For 10. Squeeze, squeeze the side of the waist. When you're done, carefully place, switch to the other side, thread the leg through so you're at an angle and press. And slowly lower. Reset those wrists. Stay on your mat. How are we feeling? Are you feeling good? Is that heart rate up? Okay. So to complement our glute work, we're going to use our light weights. If you do have a bendable, pop it between the thighs. More equipment, better we're going to ignite those muscles. Okay, so we're going to work bridge up, slowly down. So I'm coming up fast, but then I'm coming down slow. I'm squeezing the ball, or your cushion, whichever you're using. Two more, and we're going to stay up at our highest high and squeeze top half pulsers for 20. Really squeeze the glutes. Squeeze the inner thighs if you've got that ball there or the cushion. Really want them waking up. Slowly down. Well done. Okay, I want you to pop your weights overhead on the floor. We're going to keep the ball there if you're using it. We're just going to hold on to the weights as we work our bent leg reverse curl. So we're going to come up to the tabletop, peel, slowly down. the ball if you have it. Last one. Stay here, tabletop, tap, tap. Keep going. Last one, and release, remove that ball. Okay, so we're just going to go on our front, release our abs. We're going to extend our arms forward as if we're in a cobra, or a sphinx move, stretching your shoulders, balancing on this pubic bone, and I'm activating my bottom. Hope you enjoyed that little dynamic Pilates. Okay, I want you to bring one heel towards the buttock, place the arm down so you can rest your forehead on. You can lift it off the floor slightly, do so. Switch to the other side. If you can't get your heel to your bum, you need to just keep trying to work on this stretch, very important. Tight thighs are really not good. Okay, place those hands, come up to all fours, and let's finish with some cat-cow. Chin to chest, arch the spine. Last one. Tuck those toes under, walk those hands towards chin to chest, roll up. And well done. Great work. Take care. Goodbye.